Hey, sixth grade. Today, after we introduced different types of accounts at banks and a little bit about how banks worked yesterday, I want you to do a bit of research. This may take you a little bit, so I'm going to make it a 2 day assignment, but uh, it shouldn't take you just a real long time. What you're going to do is you're going to hop online and check out different types of accounts. So we're going to compare a checking account at one bank to a checking account at another and see what different types of things they have to offer. Um, for each account that you look for, you're going to get the name of the bank that you found it at or the account name. What you're going to find is that not only like a bank around here like Paducah Bank or C Plant Federal Credit Union, you'll also be able to find checking accounts that are just simply run completely online or through an online bank. So it doesn't matter to me what bank or account you find. Just find two different ones. Put the names of them in the first box. Then for the next one, the cost of the account. Is there any price to open it? Is it free? Is there any charges in there that you might want to mention here? So find the cost of the account. Also, is there a minimum balance on the account? A minimum balance means, is there amount that I have to have in that account in order to start it? If there is, then you would type that there. If there's not, say no minimum balance. Also, nowadays, even some checking accounts let you earn interest. So if there's any interest that's earned in the account, type that in the box here. And then also, are there any special rules for the account? What you'll find on checking accounts is some of them you have to use your debit card so many times per month, or you may not be able, you may have to hook like automatic payments to it. So if you see any special rules for that account too, just give me a brief summary of what those are in here. You don't have to list all of them, just enough to see the difference in the two accounts. And then also any special perks. Is there any bonuses that you get for using these accounts so many times or anything like that? So we're going to start with a checking account. Now remember, as you start to look for these things, some of it may seem strange to you. You may not quite understand it. Don't be afraid to make a mistake in here. That's how we learn. The important thing here is that you're researching different accounts and comparing them. So we're going to do that with a checking account. As you scroll down on the second page, I want you to do the same exact thing with a savings account. Finding a savings account at two separate banks or two separate places. Give me the name, the cost, minimum balance, interest you can earn, any special rules, and any special perks. And then finally, I want you to compare a couple of certificates of deposit, a couple of CDs. Remember, that's where we take our money and we loan it to the bank and they pay us for it. So the first one, I want you to find a 1 year CD. That means we're going to loan money to the bank for 1 year. Find out what the bank or the CD name is. Find out what the interest rate is, and then also the minimum deposit that we have to open that CD. And then after that, find a 2 year CD. So remember, CD is short for, in my directions, certificates of deposit. So if I go to Google and just simply search 1 year CD rates, I'm probably going to find bankrate.com. That's a good site that will show you a lot of different rates compared together. So here's best 1 year CD rates right there. I found all kinds of different ones. So I can click on these, go there and find the details out about them. So you're just going to use Google to search this stuff up. Remember, again, don't be afraid to make a mistake in these charts. It's okay. Just simply grind through each one, find a savings account, and then find all the information for that one. Then go find a separate savings account. Find all the information for that one. 1 year CD, 2 year CD, and then also your checking accounts. Find two different ones. It might be helpful if you already know a bank, maybe the bank that your family uses. Go to their website and find all the information on their checking account, all the information on a savings account, and then also if they offer CDs. You may be able to knock it out just by going to two separate banks. Or you can use the entire internet and search and shop for the best ones. So fill these out and click turn in. Like I said, this may take a little bit of time. You may hit some snags. So I'm going to give this assignment 2 days. So this is going to be due Thursday night. So you've got a couple days to get this done. Please don't put it off to the last minute because you may find questions once you start digging through there that you need to ask me. So get started on it today. You might even finish it today, but I'm going to give you today and tomorrow to get it finished. So have fun, enjoy your research, and I will talk to you guys Friday morning. Bye.